Yeah, this account had again basically a minus day, daily loss limit. Well, as I can see, it's pretty much near the limit. It basically, if it gets to minus 713, it's basically a lost account. But that's not the worst part. Uh, Today, I mean, I like a couple of trades that I took, but still they didn't play out, or I just mismanaged them. For example, this account is also lost. I just lost it actually here in gold. What happened initially was, well, for example, I'm gonna go with, let me open this a little better so it's cleaner. So basically on Nasdaq, I didn't engage on the upside here at the open. I just waited, and then first trade I took on Nasdaq was after this bar closed below on the retest of the next one. I actually sold here. I think I sold 1 or 2 times. Then I got stopped. It was a deep retracement. Then it just kept coming down. It kind of, I like the reaction. So when this bar closed below this swing here and below the open, then I just shorted also this one in this inside bar. But the retest was too deep, so I got stopped out as well because I wasn't taking the high as my risk. Then after that, I actually I sold the inside by a har after this, but I probably didn't think that it was too strong, so well, I also got stopped out there. And gold, actually, I had what initially was a really good trade here, but it opened here, and then I noticed this inside bar. Okay, so according to what I know, but basically an inside bar to the upside, I mean above price above the opening is to me is a clear long entry. But anyway, I took it. It didn't work. I got stopped up very quickly here, so then I let it be. Then here, but after I noticed this inside bar again, nearby the open, I bought here, but I had quite tiny stop here. Then I got stopped out and then started tanking here. And once this same bar broke the low, I shorted actually. I shorted the gold here below this inside bar, and it worked for a second. I mean, I was pretty good trade overall. Like it kept a little bit hesitating somewhat when the bar was developing, but still, it tanked for the next 15 minutes, and I was going to exit here. So well, I actually I added also here on this retest, but then it just basically ended up at the break-even trade. Then it closed again. So this next bar I also sold this small retest here before it tanked, but again another break-even trade. And then here, after it closed below this structure here, I wanted to sell it. I was already into a around 500 plus loss. And yeah, I was not hoping to make back or anything. I just thought that it was a very good continuation trade because, well, gold sometimes it just gets too heavy. But yeah, this was not the case. Well, it could still drop, but the retest was too deep for my available risk. So this was the minimum. I basically went through that today, and the loss of today is actually the biggest loss I have had, like I think ever, for an entire day. And yeah, I'm gonna take a break. I'm gonna well sit with myself and just think, breathe, and kind of get myself together and continue. There is not much to say besides this was just been a, well, like numbers say here, it's just a ugly day. So yeah, I'm gonna try to I'm not gonna try, I'm gonna actually enjoy my weekend. I'm gonna rest, I'm gonna do some research, get myself together, and continue next week. That's what's left, so let's have rest.